Hello, and thank you for becoming a Noveris customer. This video will help you learn recommended placement of your Noveris NV800 Common Area Air Plasma Unit. The NV800 is designed to be used in large common areas and hallways where residents congregate. This unit covers a maximum 800 square foot room with a maximum ceiling height of 10 feet. If possible, it's best to centrally locate the unit within the room to allow for maximum airflow and efficacy. Clear any area within 12 inches around the unit to allow for maximum airflow. Do not place any objects on top of the device and keep clear of any liquids. Remember, we're cleaning the air in the entire room, so maximum airflow to and from the device is going to yield better results. The NV800 comes with 2 keyhole slots on the back to allow for easy wall mounting. It can easily attach to the wall using 2 standard drywall or concrete anchors. For the ideal installation position on the wall, ensure that the screw holes are approximately 7 feet from the floor and within 5 feet of a receptacle. You'll need to use the appropriate anchor for either drywall or concrete. Once the anchor is in place, insert the screw. Leave the screw head protruding no more than 1/8 of an inch from the wall for hanging. Once the screws are in place, simply line up your Noveris unit with the screws, push the unit onto the screws, and drop the unit into place. Now that your Noveris unit is in place, you may plug it in. It's recommended that you secure the cord to the wall. You're now ready to turn on and begin using your patented airborne infection control system. The on-off switch can be found on the top of the unit. When it's placed in the on position, the light will illuminate. The NV800 has 2 speed settings. We recommend setting the unit to speed 2 and leaving the unit on and running at all times. You should be able to feel airflow from the sides of the machine. An ultra-quiet fan has been installed to greatly reduce any noise generated by the unit, so it may be difficult to hear the unit functioning in a normal environment.